Hi, I'm Riva with Makeup Designery. This is Simone, and today I'm going to show you a really cool doll-like avant-garde makeup. So we're going to start by stippling that foundation on with the sponge, loading up my 940 foundation brush. Allows me to have a bit more control with the product when stippling into the skin. You want to make sure that you base out those lips. I'm going to go ahead and use the 350 brush for some detail work around the eyes. Just stippling around here. After you're done applying the base, which it looks like I'm pretty much finished, I'm going to go ahead and seal it. Combine now the shell and the zero translucent powders. I'm using 300. I'm using the 810. So now I'm going to move on to the eyes. Go ahead and look up for me, honey. I'm going to start with under here. I'm using pomegranate, a little bit of voodoo, and my 210 angle brush. Just going back and forth under the eye, giving a drop shadow. And right now I'm really focusing on blending. I'm blending some of that powder that's setting the foundation into the shadow. I really want to blend because what I want to do now is really just build color. Okay, so the trick here is to match it exactly. You don't want them to be uneven. I go right under the lash line. Keep your eyes closed, Simone, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. While they're closed, I'm just going to do a little bit of black cake liner. Just get my tool wet. And go ahead and just add it right to the product. I'm using the same cake liner as I used on the top. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the bottom so you can't see the lashes, which is kind of tricky. I'm going to use the 100 brush. I'm going to use the 100 brush and just lightly dust to get in between each lash. You have to be very steady and very careful. I'm now taking both the rose petal and the poppy and combining the two for a really nice pop on the cheeks. Start from the hairline and move downward toward the cheekbone, and then go in circular motions upward. I'm going to start from the hairline here and move forward with my brush along the cheekbone right here. Okay. So now I'm going to move on to lips. I'm going to start here and I'm going to go down like that, just to target exactly where I want my lipstick, and the same on the other side. I'm using the 310 lip brush, and I'm not going to use the lip liner first to line the lips, mostly because I have more control with the brush. What I'm doing now is I'm just lightening the ends of her mouth with her foundation to emphasize those lips even a little bit more. Well, that completes our doll face avant-garde makeup application. To learn this and more, check us out in our free Saturday workshops in both New York and Los Angeles.